So, dear student, first thing is that you have to motivate to other person, and motivating word is that can, could, and want to, trust. That is simple formula. Subject plus action plus other word. This is the very simple formula. इस फॉर्मूले पे आपको मोटिवेट करना है, और यही फॉर्मूला आपको किसी भी स्टूडेंट को मोटिवेट करता है. ठीक है. उसके बाद आप या सिंपली आप कैन का यूज करेंगे. यू कैन डू इट, कैन, वॉन्ट टू, नीड. ये क्या है? ये सिंपल वर्ड हैं जिनसे आप मोटिवेट करते हैं. दिस इज द सिंपल फॉर्मूला. आरती, यू हैव द पोटेंशियल, you have the strong desire, and you are the inspirational for everyone because you are a TGT PGT aspirant. So I think you should have the strong desire. You should speak very well without any hesitation. This is a very common stage. After some time, suppose that you are learning and you are improving day by day, but after some times you have a one situation, your mind is getting confused. Your mind is getting confused. You think you don't have any knowledge. Your mind is goes blank while you just starting speaking in front of the peoples. So think about that, about yourself. Think about your dreams. Think about your goals, and trust yourself. Do you trust yourself? You need to trust yourself. So are you excited, guys, to motivate to someone? Okay, first I give you the chance to you, all of you, to motivate to Aarti, because Aarti is a very good girls, and she has good knowledge about the public speaking, about the English. But due to some reason, Aarti getting confused, and actually she is demotivated. So you have chance to motivate Aarti. Then Aarti, you can do it. You have the potential, right? Trust yourself. You can do anything in this world because you have the ultimate knowledge. You are a champion, and you are going to become a champion. You want to become a fluent speaker, you have to fight, you have to speak, you have to speak in front of the peoples, right? So are you getting my point? Okay, let's start. You have to motivate to Miss Aarti. Yes, please.
Whenever you come in a podium and give your remove your silence, and you can do everything whatever you want to do. You do. Your voice is better. When you do someone, voice is voice is it's Aarti, you can you have the potential. Aarti, you have the potential, potential, and you have the ability to speak in English. And if you continue participate in here, never give up, and be confident, you can do one day. It definitely. So, are you feeling excited or not?
Yes, sir, I am excited. So, Arti, don't be demotivated because when you come here to this spoken classes, there is a why you come here. So you have to clear your why. So please convert your passion consistently so that you don't demotivate like this. Just trust the process.
Still, so Aarti, have you some inspirational thoughts? Uh, uh, Tell me the one thing. First, one thing. When you feeling the demotivated, when you feeling the low, so what things happen with you? Which things actually you thinking in your mind when you feeling low?
I can yes, sir. Recently, I can understand, explain myself, my thoughts, my views. Other person communicate and communicate my talks about like this person not explain this topic I have knowledge, but not understand knowledge. How to express my knowledge.